Honolulu Mayor Rick Blangiardi announced big plans and big projects, along with efforts to streamline county government in his State of the City address this evening. Paul Drews highlights some of the city's key challenges and the mayor's efforts to change them.
Dealing with homelessness and Oahu's housing shortage were just some of the key points of the mayor's speech.
Our goal in the next calendar year, given all of our efforts in creating capacity to provide care, is to help at least 1,000 people who are experiencing homelessness get treatment and get off the street.
That means building new facilities for homeless residents and also more affordable housing to keep people off the streets. The mayor also wants to cut down on the red tape that comes with development, while also looking at new ways to finance those projects.
We cannot build new housing units if we cannot make the projects pencil out. So we are determined to introduce creative financing options that can be implemented on city developments using city properties with city infrastructure.
The city will need some help from the state legislature regarding rule changes on zoning to move forward with some of those projects.
I'm not certain why the ledge would withhold that approval. All we're seeking is for the counties to have the same development rights as the state Hawaii Housing Finance and Development Corporation. I don't understand why we would have two differences. And
Blangiardi is looking to transform 10 underutilized city properties into additional affordable housing. And he also wants to increase development along the rail route, which is expanding.
It's time to bring Skyline all the way into Kalihi. So we're announcing tonight that the second segment of rail operations from Aloha Stadium to Middle Street will open on October 1st.
Test operations for the new segment will start up in July. Then once it opens, it's expected to boost ridership of rail.
We're adding rail to a lot of places where there's a lot of jobs, at Pearl Harbor, at Airport, and in Kalihi. So I'm confident that we're going to have a great increase in our ridership.
Development plans also include hiring more personnel and adding a new North Shore Ocean Safety Headquarters.
We're announcing tonight our intent to purchase a highly coveted piece of land across the street from Sharks Cove for the creation of a world-class first responder hub.
Well, it's going to house all the operations for our North Shore district, so it's going to have administrative offices, but it'll also house our rescue units with the jet skis and some of our mobile responders supervisors out there. So they're just going to have all the tools and space to do the job that they need to do effectively to serve the community on the North Shore.
The mayor outlined a number of ambitious plans in his speech, but admits there are uncertainties, including the possibility of cuts to federal funds. Blangiardi is setting aside millions in case that money doesn't materialize and remains optimistic and determined to make a difference in his 5th year as Honolulu's mayor.
Our local residents need housing. Our most vulnerable need help. Our sick need medical care, and our people need protecting. These are challenges that we are running toward, not running from, and there is clear evidence that our efforts are paying off.